We have a class diagram with some classes got stereotype defined. The stereotype is defined through the profile diagram. Let's try to change the presentation of the stereotype. For example, the background color. We assume this change should apply to models which having this stereotype applied. But why this doesn't happen? This is because we made change in the wrong way. Within the profile diagram, the stereotype shape is only a visual presentation of the stereotype model. This includes presenting its name, tagged values, as well as the model type that the stereotype applies to. Changing the styles of the stereotype shape only affect how it being present in profile diagram, but not the presentation setting of that stereotype model. The correct procedure is right-click on the stereotype and select Open Specification. Then press the Configure button next to Format field. This will open up the Stereotype Formats dialog, which allows you to configure its foreground, font, as well as the background styles. Let's say we want to change the background color of the stereotype. Select Use, then pick the color. Press OK to confirm, and press OK to close the Stereotype Specification dialog. By select Apply to diagram elements with non-modified formats, the change will only apply to models which having this stereotype and still in default background color. As you can see, now the classes with this stereotype having background color modified. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.